कारमोणा पंचायत वाठारात रयेजा प्रोजेक्टा वेल्यान बोवाळ चालू आसा. ह्या इश्यूचेर चर्चा करूंक पंचायत बॉडीची खासा मिटींग आपयल्ली, पूण मिटींगेक 7तले 3 मेंबर आयिल्ल्यान मिटींग कॅन्सल जाली.
I have already given charge to Sarpanch from the 19th, and this meeting was called when I was the acting Sarpanch. But since 4 of the members have refused to accept this, saying that it was not discussed with them, this meeting has been called off. Now,
how many members are now today's present?
3 members are present today.
Meeting is cancelled.
So the meeting is cancelled.
पंचांनी लोकांचो विचार करून काम करूंक जाय अशें एक्टिविस्ट सुकूर मिरांडा उलयलो.
रायजा शिवपास नोटीस धाडली काय म्हणून ते इन्स्पेक्शन जालें ते प्रमाणे पूण हिंगा येयले आमकां दुसरी स्टोरी मेळ्ळ्या दुसरे भाशेन सांगूंक लागलें की 4 मेंबरांनी एक्सेप्ट केलें ना म्हूण आनी ते पासत तेमकां स्पेशल मिटींग आमच्या हेरांनी मागोन आमी ते पोस्टपोन केली ती मिटींग. पोस्टपोन केली म्हणजे आतां तेंगे 26 body meeting. So they will request the chairperson to discuss the 2 things, Arda and Raheja's thing, and to discuss on the chauffeur's notice, the inspection report and everything, and at least after that they will hold a meeting, and because the people are waiting for this result. The people have been gone to the site to see what is happening, to find out what is going on, and if the body as a whole who were saying that they are with the people, if they had any differences or anything like that, they should have discussed among themselves and sorted out the problem. It was not a big issue. And government can do certain things with understanding. There's nothing the local body can do if it is good for the village. Okay? There are a lot of things can be done if it is good for the village.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.